Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a kitchen island that I built that is 6 feet long with seating for 8. But before I show you, please hit that like and subscribe and that bell for notifications. So this way you can see all my videos that come out and you can look at all the other ones I've done. So for right now, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to hold it up like that. That way we got a thumbnail going. Alright. As you can see, this one, there it is. I'm actually pretty proud of this one. These are the low back chairs that I make. These ones are a little skinnier than normal. You know, I decided to change it a little bit so they tuck underneath the bar, or underneath the, this bar right here, or kitchen island. So that way, you can seat 8 people. Give it a nice little walk around here. A nice shine on the top. And then get the other side here and all the other chairs. I didn't make a really thick overhang right here because, I didn't want it to bulk out too much. But if you remove the chairs, this is how I wanted it built. So this way you still have all your cabinet space. And it's probably dark in there. Well, you can see it. Goes all the way down. And down here. There's the bottom. And these shelves are nice and sturdy. And then you guys know when I make my doors, I always use these. I've actually widened the planks that I use, so this way it stops them from warping, because I used to go half as thick. I don't do that anymore because if you don't get the wood when it's really dry, it has a tendency to kind of take its own shape. So here's the top of it, all real nice and shiny. I use an outdoor clear on it, so this way it's more durable and it gives it a better shine faster. You don't have to put as many coats. So when I got these boards, they are 6 feet long, but the problem is, they're the dog ear one. They wind up losing about an inch because they cut off the ends right there. So I had to add this little piece right here. So this way it kind of takes up that extra gap, because I wanted these boards to be all one length. So, and I had to do it on this side too, because these boards, are just not long enough. I wish they would, make them longer, but unfortunately they don't. So here is the back of it. So all my bar stools right here. And I'm knocking wood over. Alright, this isn't a really long video, so hope you guys like this one. Sorry it's so short, but I got more things to build and a lot of other things to do. So, till then, please hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys all soon.